Hello guys, this is Chaudhary and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I am going to teach you HTML. So what is HTML? Why HTML use? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Maybe will hear this name, and HTML is used for make a structure of a website. Okay, and it is a markup language. Okay, so let's begin this video. HTML. Okay, so first of all I will go my folder which name is HTML, then right click and click open with code. You can also use notepad. Okay, but I will use open with code, which means VS Code. As you can see, my VS Code is open, and then you have to click on new file. You can access your folder in your VS Code, and I will name this 1. Okay, and then you have to write an extension which name is .html. Okay, you can also write htm, but I will suggest you will write .html. So here you can see my 1.html is created, and then you have, so I will open a HTML tag. As you can see, I open my HTML tag, and then I closed, and head tag, and in this title tag, and after head tag I will write body tag. So you are thought, what is these tags? What is tags in HTML? HTML element is a type of HTML document component, one of several types of HTML nodes. So you can understand what are tags in an HTML, like keywords, which defines that how web browser will format and display the content. So now you can understand, and then I will write h1. H1 means heading tag. This is heading. I will open this file 1.html. ओ मेरे को यहाँ पे सेव करना पड़ेगा. So this is heading. Okay, h1 is used for make a heading. There are 6 heading tags like h2. Okay, this is heading 2, and here I will write heading 1, and h3. This is heading 4, sorry 3, and h4. This is heading 4. h5. This is heading 5 and last tag H6. This is heading 6. Okay. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. There are 6 types of heading. Okay. Then I will click Control S. So you have to save this file and refresh there. You can see there, this is heading 1, this is heading 2, this is heading 3, this is heading 4, this is heading 6. Okay. So now you can see there, heading 1 is big and heading 2 is smaller than heading 1 and heading 3 is smaller than heading 2, heading 4 is smaller than heading 3 and heading 5 and heading 6. Okay. So difference between H1 and H2, H6. So you can see there difference between H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H1 is big, H2 is smaller than H1 and H3 is smaller than H2 and H4 is smaller than H3, H5 is smaller than 4 and H6 is smaller than 5. So what is paragraph tag? Paragraph tag, this is paragraph. Control S and refresh there. You can see this is paragraph. You can write a paragraph here. Lorem. I will word wrap this and you can see the paragraph and Control S and I will refresh this so you can see a paragraph. Paragraph tag is used for write a paragraph. And yeah, why title tag is used for? I will write there, this is a project. This is a project. Control S and you can see there. First of all, I reload this page. You can see there, this is a project. So title tag is used for change the title. Okay. This is a project. So is Control S and refresh. This is a project. Okay. So if you like this video, so please like this video and subscribe my channel.